Most people think cybersecurity means hacking, but real cybersecurity is about defending systems from attacks. Today we will understand defensive security using try hacking. So, guys, what is defensive security? Defensive security means protecting systems, networks, and data from cyber attacks. If offensive security is attacking like hacker, then defensive security is thinking like a security guard or blue team. So, what is your goal in the defensive security? Like means prevent breaches, detects attacks, respond to incident, keep systems secure 24 by 7. So, just I will click on the resume learning, and you can see here defensive security intro. So TryHackMe teaches defensive security through a hands-on labs, not just theory. So you will learn how attacks so happen, how to detect suspicious activity, and how to stop attackers. So how to analyze logs and alerts. So this is called a blue team. So key areas of defensive securities are security monitoring, logs, alerts, SIM tools, so log analysis, logging attempts, file access, network connections, threat detections, what is the suspicious behavior, anomaly detection, malware detections, incident response also there in the defensive security, digital forensic. You can see here this is the fire attacks which was happens in the 2024, 23, 20, 2018. So you can see here in this room we will explore the word of defensive security. So already I told you what is the defensive security. Okay, so here you can see that what is defensive security also known as. So for this answer you need to read this following. Okay, so just you can see here that we will uncover how defensive security works. So here from the poor of security can be so and incredibly costly for an organization with fines to follow. Here are some real world example. So here you can see personal details such as birth names, address, customers were leaked, and here you can see that Marriott International, the passport information, payments card details, customers were partly due to outdated systems. Okay, and here you can see medical records and phone numbers were rigged due to weak security policies in the firewall. Okay, and here also you can see these attacks due to security policies, and here poorly configured servers lead to the personal data of approximately 27 million users being leaked. So what is the defensive security also known as? Okay, so defensive security is also known as blue team. Okay, just you need to answer this blue team. So check the answer and you can see this is the correct answer. So after that, responsibility of defensive security. So what is the main responsibility? That is monitoring and detecting, continually observing network and systems activity to detect suspicious behavior, and there is the incident response, threat intelligence. So why should you learn defensive security? Defensive security is perfect for freshers in cybersecurity, SOC analysis, blue team beginners, network and systems admin. So tools you will learn in the defensive security, that is the SIM tools, Wireshark, Splunk basics, ELK stack concepts, antivirus and ADR concepts. So in the offensive in the defensive security there is the security monitoring, that is the SOG. You can monitor systems using log, alert, SIM tools. So on try hack me you will learn what is SOG and how analysis detects attacks in real time. And the second one is log analysis. Every system generate logs, so login attempts, file access, network connections. So in the try hack me you will it will teaches you Windows event logs, how to analyze Linux logs, firewall and web server logs. So you will learn how to find attacks hidden inside the logs. Threat detection. So attackers don't always break things, they hide. Defensive security focuses on malware detection, suspicious behavior, anomaly detection. So try hack me will be show you ransomware works, trojans and backdoors behaviors, indicators of compromise. Also in the incident response, when attack happens, what next? Defensive security follows detect, contain, eradicate and recover it. So try hack me labs teach real incident response scenarios like phishing attacks, how to do, how it is working, malware infections, data breach cases, and last one is the digital forensics. After an attack, defenders investigate what happened, how did the attackers enter, what data was affected. So try hack me covers disk forensics, memory analysis, network forensics. So and here you can see what more defensive security team is made up of mixtures role. So Bob is SOC analyst, Alia is incident responder. So what will be a SOC analyst will be do, it will monitor events on the organization networks. And what Alia, that is the incident responder, we do, it is responsible investigating and responding to ongoing security incidents. And security engineer, so it will develops and maintains the essential tools and systems. And digital forensics will expert to understand what occurred during an incident. Okay, so you can see here, you need to give the answer. An attack has been detected on an organization network. What is the name of the persons above who would be responsible for responding to the attack? So in this out of 4, who will be responsible? So Alia will be, that is the Alia, it is the incident responsible responder that will be responsible for the. So I will type here Alia, Alia, sorry, AH. So I will check my answers and it is the correct answer. So after that, defensive security in practice. So now that you have been introduced to defensive security, met some key individuals. So in their examples of defensive measures include employee training. In today's world, the human factor of cybersecurity cannot be ignored with attacks. Intrusion detection systems, IDS, is the main role. These devices act as surveillance and cameras across the organization. Idea means, if suppose, what is the IDS, it will detect the attacks. Okay, they monitor and alert, it will provide, it will monitor, IPS will be prevent the attacks, and IDS will be detect, means it will monitor and it will alert when suspicious activity is detected in the network. And the main role, firewall, these devices act as security guards on an organization network. So already I am already what is the firewall I shared in my description link, so you can click on it and you will learn what is the firewall and how it is working means. And security policy, so this role is coming under this for firewall only, that is antivirus, web filter, application control. They can reduce risks by blocking access to dangerous websites. Means suppose you want to, in the security profile, you can block the website on the category base. Means you will block the shopping category websites, phishing category website, gaming category website. You can block based in the security profiles. So this means that even if an employee clicks on dangerous attachment in a mail, other protections are in place to prevent the malicious attachments from harming the organization. So exploring the security operations center, that is the SOC. Think of a SOC as a defensive security center for an organization technology. This is busy center, this is the front line of the protecting an organization. So SOC provides main role in this. So after that, there is the SIEM, the defensive security radar. Much like an control center in the world, SIEM is the most, that is the security informations and event management systems are the center place for all data and information collected from security devices. So much like radar sweeping the digital environment, so the systems inside an organization produce a large amount of information. This information need to be brought together in one central and easy to access place to understand what happening quickly and clearly. So this thing will, you will be get all data is getting in the SIEM tool. So here is the question. So what is the abbreviation for the term security operation center? So that is the means, what is the short form? That is the SOC. So just you need to type here SOC. So I will check my answer, and it is the correct answer. So after that, the last one, that is the hands-on practical labs. That is the I will open it, not exactly. So in this scenario, defensive security team for fake bank means a large financial institution. So you will be at the forefront of investigating and resolving suspicious events marked such as fake banks propagated security information, and it is way your duty to protect fake bank and its customers. Be proactive. To begin this practical, click on the, so just I will click on here. So this is the same tool, that is security events management. So just I need to click, you can see here, just I need to click on the, you can see web discovery attack, that is the automated directory enumeration detected on admin endpoint. So sequential ports can detected from external IP. So just I will you can see here, that is the, this one is medium, this is suspicious port scan, this is the high, you can see unassigned, this is in the assigned state. Okay, so just you need to click on the, this is the assigned state. Okay, and this severity is high, so just I will click on investigate. Okay, or here also I will click on the investigate. Okay, so what you need to do, so you can see the action will be open side investigate, perform necessary guided protected measures to stop it from continuing. So just what I will do, so you can see here copy to start. So just I will this is the public IP, so from where I am getting the traffic. Okay, so just I need to copy this IP. So just I will click on the start investigation. So block source IP address, so I will block this IP from to access my network. So you can see here, you can set duration to block this IP. I will set it 70 to 4 hours. So you can see that this is the event ID. Okay, implementation security action. So here I will you can type your notes what you need. So this IP will be get blocked to access my network for this 72 hours. So I will just click on the implement action limits. So implement rate remaining, set request rate limits for admin endpoint. So time window, this is in the 60 seconds, and maximum request per window, that is 50. So just I will click on the apply rate, and where full description, block suspicious enumeration attempt. So I will block, means this IP will be get block. Okay, for the 70 to 4 hours. Just I need to click on the complete, and congratulations, you can see here you have blocked the attempting IP. So I successfully blocked that IP to get the access internally my my network. So the answer to the try hack me question, so just I need to this copy this action the fake bank secured, what is the flag that you obtain by the following. So just I need to copy this and just paste down it, that is the fake bank this is the flag fake bank secured. Just I will click here and I will check my answers. I will just close this one, the answer is getting checked. So this is the your job role exactly in the same, means just you need to, you will see what alerts you are getting, what is the severity. So just you can see I 56 points I got, and this is the fundamental of the defensive security intro. So guys, thank you for watching my video. We will meet you in the next video.